morning, y'all. How's everybody doing this morning? Well, guys, I'm over here at a friend of mine's house doing a little bordering. He needed some dirt knocked down to where he could knock it down with his tractor and level it up on his pond. I got a front end loader. He don't have a front end loader. He just got a big box blade in the back of his tractor, leveling it down. So I come knock the top down for him, bringing a pine tree back to the house. Got to cut some wood up. Guys, I'm gonna show you this place around here. He's got a beautiful place, beautiful lake out in the country. Can't get no more peaceful than this. Check it out. I know the sun's in y'all's eyes, but back over there is where I just leveled that dirt down. That's the pond. And that's the pine tree, the last one you see right there that we're fixing to take down. I'm about 3 miles from my house, but I'm gonna drag it back to the house. All through the woods.
Got that thing rolling?
We rolling, baby.
Oh, shit.
Alright, y'all. This one of them old yellow pines coming from the friend of mine's house, the one you seen me cut down a while ago. Well, you actually seen him cut down a while ago. Got a flat side on it. I mean, I drug it over 2 miles to get here. So I cut that dirt off. When I cut it, the bad stuff that was in the rocks, I took a little bigger slab off and throw that part away because it's full of rocks. But I need 25 2x4s. Let's see what we can get out of this log. Alright guys, this is the scale that I'm going by right here. I'm fixing to cut on 14 and a half. I'm coming back on 10 and 7/8. 7 1/4. I'm actually going to be just below 7 1/4. 3 1/2. And that's going to be 4 sets of 2x4s. What I'm going to do is make that first 2 cuts, and I'm going to take them right there and throw them to the side. That way I'm not fighting with 4 of them at one time. I'll just have 2 at a time. I'll be cutting 2x4s off. It's a little easier to work. Now, when this first cut here is going to take a slab off, I'm going to throw that away. And then I'm going to have the 2 more sets of 2x4s. Set them to the side. Cut my 2x4s out of the next one. And then I'm going to set them other 2 back up here and finish cutting them out. Guys, look at the grain in this wood. See how they're closer together? Look down. That's a regular 2x4. Some perfect wood, y'all. Now this kind of wood right here is your old type pine trees. I guess they call them old loblolly pines. They're not the new trees that are fast growing. These are really old trees. Your rings are a lot closer together. Seems to me it makes better wood. If you got a straight tree, you got straight lumber. Only downfall with these right here is they got a lot of sap in them. They're a lot of rich lightered pine. You got to have diesel. I run straight diesel on my blades anyway. But that straight diesel on this right here, it keeps it from gumming up. It keeps you from having any problems. Now it looks like we're gonna get quite a few 2x4s out of here. I still got 2 right there to cut. And then these right here, this is a cull, which there's nothing wrong with it. It's just got some bark on each end. But y'all can see how many 2x4s we're gonna get out of it. Out of one log, quite a few 2x4s. I'll give you a total when we get it all cut up. Got 26 2x4s right here, and I got 10 more. So it's 36 2x4s. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. God bless, and catch you on the next one.